Say goodbye to tedious manual workflows. With the new ZoomInfo and Clary Groove integration, you can now export contacts directly from ZoomInfo to Salesforce and your Groove flows in a single action. This powerful integration allows sellers to identify the right buyers and launch automated prospecting and engagement flows, all without leaving ZoomInfo. Here's how it works. First, you can choose to export either individual contacts or multiple contacts at once. Once you've made your selection, click the Export button and choose Clary Groove from the dropdown. Next, decide whether to export the contact as a lead or a contact into Salesforce. Then you'll be prompted to pick the Groove flow that you want your contact or contacts to be added. You can choose either your own Groove flows or flows that have been shared with you. And just like that, a confirmation banner will appear, letting you know the export was successful. Now your contact or contacts have been added to your Groove flow and exported to Salesforce. With this seamless integration, managing your contacts and launching engagement flows has never been easier. Get ready to supercharge your sales cycle today. With ZoomInfo and Clary Groove, you'll never miss a beat.